So remember when we did the rounding exercise and we tried to round two numbers at the same time? We got an error saying that this function here can only process one input at a time. While other functions like print here, for instance, can process multiple inputs, round cannot. So if we want to round two numbers, how can we do this? Well, this is where lists come in. So we can fix the error that we got during the rounding by storing the two values in a list. So lists allow to store multiple values, just like tuples, but they have the benefit that they are mutable. So you can change, add, and remove elements in a list. Just like in a tuple, every element has a position or an index, and the indexes start at 0. Lists are created by using square brackets. So round brackets will create tuple, square brackets will create a list. Inside the square brackets, you write all the elements that you want to store, separated by commas. When you display a list, you see that it shows you the different elements inside the square brackets and separated by a comma. So just like in tuples, the elements do not need to be the same type. It's perfectly okay to create a list with an integer, a float, a boolean, and a string. It will work, as you can see here. You can even create a list of lists. So here I'm defining the two lists that I have created before as elements in this new list called C. And this is what it generates. So you see that we get a list that contains the two lists. You can also concatenate lists using the plus operator. That's the same operator that we used before to concatenate strings. So it works both on strings and on lists. And what it will do is it will produce one list with the combined elements of the two lists. So these first three elements, they come from list A, and the last four elements, they come from list B. So this is not the same as what we are doing here. This here creates one list that contains two lists as elements, and this here, the concatenation, produces one list with the combined elements of the two lists. So this is a list of lists, and this is just a list with elements.